Hello and welcome everyone to our channel CloudSewa in association with GENESE, which is also the official partner of AWS for Nepal. So today we are going to get a small walkthrough video on Project Orlando. So if you have a startup company and you are in need of AWS services but you are low on funding, you can create an account here and apply for AWS Activate scheme, where your startup company will be funded, through which you can use the fund to explore the services of AWS. So now we move on to the process of signing up for our account for Project Orlando. So click on the sign up button and provide the details required for this form. I'll go with the saved ones. Now I'll be providing my password and my designation. I'll go with what I have saved here and select my country as Nepal. I'll now move on to the next step. For billing details, we provide the required details. I'll go with what I have saved and move on to the next step. So here is the vital process for the completion of sign up process for Project Orlando. As here, you will upload the required documents like the company registration certificate, tax clearance certificate, VAT registration certificate, and citizen certificate of the authorized signatory. I'll upload my document now and proceed ahead. Now we move on to the next step. Here is the agreement page where we have to accept the terms and conditions to create the account. So once we click on finish, the detail will be sent to GENESE for further processing. Now we have completed the sign up procedure for the Project Orlando account, and now we'll apply for startup credits. So if you are a startup company and are in need of funding, you can apply for AWS Activate Startup Fundings, which will help you in using the service of AWS. A question would be, why through GENESE instead of going directly to AWS? This is because AWS is a big company and will have some trouble validating your company details. So since GENESE is the official partner of AWS for Nepal, they will help AWS in validating and certifying all our credentials. Once we click on apply for startup, it's going to direct us to a page where it will ask me for some details. Do you have company domain email? Yes. Is company less than 2 years old? Yes. You agree to pay $20 per month as an essential support fee? Yes. Now I'll submit and move on to the next page. So I'll be going with the saved details here. Provide my designation, select my country Nepal, and I'll move on to the next page. I'll click on same as my details, so it's going to enter the data I entered in the last page. And in this page I'll select referred by and accept the terms and condition, and now I'll move on to the next step. So in this page I'll provide my startup details, I'll enter my website, and here I'll type in what we are building. I'll select the company founding date as 2020 May 12, IT industry, who are your primary target customer. I'll select consumers. Employee we currently have 1 to 10. Product will be launched on November 15, 2021. Customer will interact with our product through web browser, mobile application, and desktop applications. We have used AI and machine learning technology in our product. I'll enter my company domain email ID and now move on to the next page. I'll now accept the terms and policy. So previously we accepted the terms and policy of AWS. Now we are accepting the terms and policy of Project Orlando, and now I'll submit it. So here it says Thank you for applying for the AWS Startup Program. One of our colleagues from GENESE Solution will contact you shortly. This is all the process regarding how to apply for AWS Activate scheme, through which the project Orlando is hosted by GENESE. So now, after the completion of the sign-up procedure, you will receive a confirmation email, and once you click on that confirmation link, you will be redirected to the login page of Project Orlando. Here, I'll enter my credentials and log in. Once I'm logged on, I'll be redirected to the dashboard of Project Orlando. Yeah, as you can see, this is the dashboard page of Project Orlando. If you navigate on the billing section, you will see the services that has been used and how much credit are remaining. We can also check the logs trail section for what services has been accessed and user logins. Last but not the least, I want to thank all of our viewers for watching this video on our channel CloudSewa in association with GENESE, which is also the official partner of AWS.